What is up, team? Welcome back to this YouTube video. Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're gonna be having a look at Bitcoin, because we know Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's the leader, and whatever Bitcoin does, altcoins usually do. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Having a look at Bitcoin and CoinMarketCap right now, volume is currently up $25 billion, 33%, with a market cap of $560 billion, traded at $20,893, so below $30,000. Now we know $30,000 is a very critical region. Now we're going to get to that in just a second on the weekly time frame, but let's have a look right here on the daily time frame. So Bitcoin right here had a very bearish engulfing candle right here, closure as you guys can see, coming back down and retesting this level right here. Now this level right here is actually very important level. I mean, we had a very strong resistance, we were consolidating, we broke out, came back down. Now usually when we have a breakout of a very strong important resistance, we usually come back down, retest before essentially making a move to the upside. Okay, so the big test right here is, will Bitcoin essentially break this trend line? We know the trend is your friend, guys, there's no question about that. And not only are we in this trend line right here, but we're also at this resistance that flipped into a support region as well. Now another thing that I want to talk about is essentially this bearish divergence right here that a lot of people are pointing out. So if I actually take this and I go like that, we are having an increase on the chart and of course a decrease right here on the RSI, and we know that's pretty bearish. So if we pop the RSI real quick again and we essentially take that and go down, that's a bearish divergence. That usually means that there's downwards momentum or very strong downward trend about to reverse or happen essentially. So that's what's happening. If we have a look on the exponential moving average, which is probably one of my favorite indicators, we can see right here that Bitcoin is in fact at the EMA Ribbons, and we're essentially holding the zone right now. Now it's going to be very important if Bitcoin can essentially hold these EMA Ribbons, because I'm going to be very bullish if Bitcoin comes and closes below right here, which is $26,500. If we close below that level, we're most likely going to enter a mini bull market, and this right here was, a mini bear market, and this right here was just a pretty much a relief rally from this massive dump. So is this just a dead cat bounce? I mean, I don't know. I mean, we saw this thing right here happening, we saw it pump, and now and then after that we saw a dump, and now we're seeing another rally. So I know I've been talking about the Elliott wave for quite some time, but for those of you guys who don't know, Elliott wave consists of 5 waves. This was a first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave. Do we have another fifth wave on the way down? Is it possible? Can we get ready for a short? Can Bitcoin really reach $10,000? I mean, there's a lot of things to ask ourselves, right? That's why you shouldn't really be over leveraged ever. But something that I did want to have a look at on the weekly time frame is this area right here, guys. I mean, this area right here is definitely an important area, as you guys can see. I mean, we have a rejection right here, another one right here, and another one right here, and another one right here. And of course, if you guys have been watching my videos, I said that I wouldn't be bullish on Bitcoin until we essentially break this resistance right here, which would be approximately $31,000, $32,000. So until then, I'm not going to really be really bullish on Bitcoin. I'm going to be slightly bearish, and that's about it. Now the good thing about Bitcoin, guys, is that on the weekly time frame we are above these EMA Ribbons, and we can see that the EMA Ribbons right here are flipping pretty bullish. Now the last time this happened was actually right here. That's the last time it happened, on March 2nd 2022, and guess what happened? We enter a multi month or years bull cycle. I mean, this thing exploded. We went all the way from 20 to 2021, and so a year and a half, and we essentially exploded, took it to the moon, and Bitcoin pretty much pumped from 4,500 all the way to 69,000, making it a 13x or 14x return from there. So that's a pretty big sign right here. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.